Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Etsy to Etsy apps. So actually you want to connect your Etsy shop to apps that work with Etsy, for example apps for inventory management, accounting, marketing or automation. So Etsy calls these Etsy apps or Etsy integrations, and the usually connects through with Etsy's API or direct authorization. So to do that, you will need to identify the app you want to connect. So Etsy supports many third-party apps categories like inventory and order management, for example, Shopify, and accounting and finance like QuickBooks, Xero, marketing analytics like eRank, etc. Okay, so I will set an example with Shopify. So Shopify consider like or as an Etsy app. So you will need us first to create an account with the app you want to use. Okay, here we have Shopify, and then just look for an option like connect Etsy or add shop or integration, and we will find it on the settings right here, and then we'll find it on the apps here. And after that, all you need to do is to go with Shopify app store, and then you will need to look for Etsy by using the search bar, right? So just go with Etsy and click. And right now you will have the Etsy integration DPL, Etsy integration by QuickSync, extra. So you will need to connect all of them. And I will set an example with one of them. So just go with Etsy integration DPL and then just go with install right here. And then you will need just to confirm the installation on another page. So go with install again to confirm. And alright, so that's where you can integrate it to your Shopify. And it's the same actually to another apps. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.